Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you that how I create this beautiful look, and the video will be depend on those who love Korean and K-pop especially. So for beginners and also non-beginners, let's get started. So first I use a moisturizer and also use a powder highlighter. If you don't want to use in this method, then use just a liquid highlighter. And after that I use a primer, which is Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer, and I use on my open pores with my fingertips and apply it all over my face. And after that I use a darker concealer from my face, which is from Inside. Shade is Rich Tan, and apply it all over my face wherever I have uneven skin tones or pimple spot, dark spot, like beside my nose, beside my lips, etc. I skip orange color shade of corrector, I'm sorry, and use this shade and just blend it with a tiny beauty blender. And after that I use this two shade from Inside color corrector palette and apply all over where I use the darker shade before to bring my natural skin tone. After apply the concealer, just blend with the same tiny blender which is I used before and blend it all over my face. And after that finally my foundation time, and I use Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Instead of using under my eye areas, I use all over my face with a brush applicator. And after that I use a beauty blender, foundation blender, a big, and I just blend all over my face. Don't drag it, just blend them with a dabbing motion. I also blend it towards my ears, towards my neck. And after that I use a Maybelline powder compact, and use the powder all over my face. And after that I use a contour from Sugar and just start to contour my nose from bottom of my eyebrows to another bottom of my brows. And then I also use on my cheeks and also on my forehead, also on my jawline areas. I skip the cream contour cause Korean based makeup, based on very natural way, so I just go with the powder. And I also apply the contour under my lips for make my under lips more fluffy. And after that I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and start to apply under my eye area, especially inner corner to end of my nose. I create a straight line and also apply it on my outer corner, and also apply it on my chin between those two contour, and also on jawline, and also center of my forehead, and also on my nose areas. Then I use the same concealer and conceal my lips for make my lower lip more shorter. And I use the same teeny sponge, beauty blender, and just blend them on their exact positions. After that I use a matte finish loose powder or translucent powder from Inside Matte Cosmetics, and just apply it wherever I used the concealer first. And after that I just brush my eyebrows wistfully and just take a brown shade and black shade and start to fill up my brows from middle of my brows. And after that I just create my follow my original eyebrow line. If you have thicker line or thicker brows, then just keep the black one, just go on with the brown shade. And here is my eyebrow done. And for make my eyebrows more prominent, I use the same concealer from Maybelline and use it on my eyelid and also blend it very well. And after that, for set my concealer, I use a compact or translucent powder. Then I use a small fluffy brush and use this two shade and just apply it on my eyelid to my crease line. I don't go towards my transition, I just maintain on my lid to crease line. And after that I use a flat brush and just maintain my according my dress color and apply it on my eyelid. Just only go on eyelid, don't go to crease line, just only eyelid. While applying on my eyelid, I also use the same brush with the same color under my lower lash line and just apply it middle of the part. Don't go to outer corner or inner corner. And then I use a sharp face of fluffy brush and take a darker shade and just apply it on my outer corner and inner corner. I just blend them very well. Don't apply it on your lower lash line. And after that I take a very light golden based shimmer powder and apply it middle of the cap and also on my lower lash line. Then I use a Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I actually don't like wear lashes, so I skip this. And then I brush out all my extra loose or translucent powder with a big fluffy brush. Not fluffy, actually big powder brush. And after that I use a Wet n Wild blusher, which is shade is Plastic Rose. Actually I don't like blusher too much, so that's why I go on with this beautiful light color. According my blusher contain too much highlighter too, so that's why I use a very little bit of highlighter from Maybelline and also on my nose top. And after that I use a lipstick from Oriflame. The shade is Red Plum, and apply it all over my lips very light way. And after that I use a lipstick from Inside Cosmetics, the red shade, which is my favorite, and just apply it between my lips. And last one is using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer and apply it all over my face. So here is my makeup is done, guys. I hope you all just enjoyed my makeup. So do subscribe, share and comment. So take care and bye bye. Love you.